right, so I just received this in the mail. It's HOTT since 1999. All right, we're partying like it's 1999 because guess what this is? Bam, it's a CD player. When's the last time you saw one of these? So here it is, it's the HOTT CD player. It's got a little thing on here. Pull that off of there. That is the screen. And we're just gonna have to take a look at this. This opens it here. Oh, look at that. Yeah. And you put your CD in there. And I do believe that that is, oh, that's the volume. Up and down. And, here it is. Here's your port to charge it. It's got a reset button here that you can press. This is some information on the back. You guys can screenshot that if you want. But that's it right there. Let's see what comes inside the box. All right, so we get a manual, and it has some troubleshooting things here. It has audio that you can plug into. I do believe we have our earplugs. Let's take a look at those. Okay, they look pretty good. We'll have to try them out. And then I think it has a USB cord. And I think that's everything that comes with it. That's the unboxing. So check it out. It's USB to regular like Android, and that's the type of port that's in this. And so that's it. That's everything that comes with the HOTT 1999 CD player. Now all we got to do is get a CD and stick it in there and listen to it. It's a bunch of CDs. Here's a good one. Check it out. It's the soundtrack to The Bodyguard. All right, we'll try that one. Now, of course, I can't play it for you guys because, you know, copyright. Let's open this up. Ta-ta! Let's open that. It's pretty good. It's got a lot of distance. And we'll shove this bad boy in the port. So you've got to come up just above HOTT. You're going to see this like universal power button. And you can't just touch it. You got to kind of push your finger on it and hold it. And then everything pops on. It's ready to go. Now, we figured out we're going to listen to Bodyguard. Now, I can't let you listen to the song because, you know, copyright. But what we're going to do is we're going to put it inside here. So we got to come to the side and push this. It pops open, right? And then you slide your CD in, and then you got to kind of squeeze it, push it down. All right, then you go, and now we're ready to rock. Now I just got to get these in my ear, right? So let me set that down for a second. And, oh, it's already started, look. I'm going to stop it. There, it stopped. I'm going to put these in my ears. Here goes. Uno, doso. All right, to play this, I'm just going to hit this. There it goes. Sounds fantastic. Now, if I want to go to the next track, I would hit here. And I can just keep going. Now, if I want to go the other way, I can go backwards. If I want to stop it, I hit here. So that's how it works. It also has FM radio and Bluetooth. So, yeah. Now, if you want to turn it off, you come up here, press and hold, and it goes off. Turn it back on, come up here, press and hold, and it's back on. Want to play, you hit there. There we go. All right. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on things like this. Peace out.